Enter the menu by pressing the settings icon. Scroll through the menu until the desired setting is reached and press the setting. Press Escape at any time to exit the menu. Rinsing. Use this function to deliver hot water from the coffee spouts to clean and heat the appliance's internal circuit. Descaling. When the alert comes up to descale, you can activate the process. See the How to Descale video. Water filter. Activate this before you add a water softening filter. Drink settings. In this section, you can reprogram your customized settings and, if you wish, reset the default values for each beverage. Auto off. Auto off can be set so that the appliance switches off after 15 or 30 minutes, or 1, 2 or 3 hours. Energy saving. Use this function to enable or disable energy saving. When enabled, the function reduces energy consumption in compliance with current European regulations. Coffee temperature. You can only adjust the temperature of the water for coffee, not milk, to the levels low, medium, high, maximum. Water hardness. The machine is set by default for level 4, but the machine can be set according to your area. See the Setting Water Hardness video. Language. Press Set Language. Press the flag corresponding to the desired language. Beep. Enable or disable the beep emitted by the machine each time an icon is pressed or an accessory is inserted or removed. Bluetooth. Enables or disables a protection pin to connect to the appliance from a device. Press Bluetooth. The serial number of the machine and a 4-digit PIN number appear on the display. The preset PIN is 0000. We recommend to customize the PIN directly from the app. Default values resets all menu settings and programmed quantities back to the default values, with the exception of the language, which remains as set. Statistics. Displays statistics such as drinks and water quantities. Customize profile. You can choose the profile icon to your preference.